Hey! Looking at a Can-Am rock climber. Hey, welcome back to Marty Moments of Motorcycles. Today I have a little treat. I'm going to talk a little bit something about this new vehicle from Can-Am. And boy, we're going to have a little fun going over it. Watch this. We're looking at a Can-Am rock climber. It's a rock crawler that the kids and the people who are out there in those mountains, and there's all these rock terrains, they want to climb them. This is it. You got a huge amount of technology here. You have these 31-inch wheels, not the dirty wheels like this, where it's really for the mud and the grud. This is for getting up there in the sand and in the dirt and having a better grip. This has some things that other ones don't have, the other side-by-sides that you can buy. This one has Smart Loks. It's a differential lock, and it's on command. It's just on the fly. You just go, and it's going to stay and move your vehicle over these boulders and rocks without you having to worry about pushing buttons and look at this. You may not have to worry about it, but you got a 4,100-pound Warren winch that will help you pull yourself out of a problem. You have all kinds of technology. Look at the safetiness of these reinforced headgear and top and lid and things that you just don't find. You would have to spend tons of money if you were going to build one of these yourself in the backyard. Can-Am has done a great job. Look at the size of these Fox shocks. These are the gas injection for the shocks when you're going over rocks and stuff. It's getting back quick. It's catching you. You would look back here. Look at these suspension you have here. This is great stuff. You can't buy this kind of technology for free. I mean, this stuff is huge, way ahead of the times. I just remember just a short few years ago that this didn't exist. This just didn't exist. And now it's mainstream. Gosh, I look inside here. Look at the chairs. Look at your straps to hold you in. You can tip this thing over and not get hurt. You have all kinds of technology. Look at that reinforced framing you have here. Great product, great fun. And it's affordable. All these kids are out there nowadays buying these $100,000 trucks and all that to do something. This will do better and have a lot more fun in the dirt. So thank you again for stopping by for a moment, hearing me talk about a 200 horsepower vehicle that has all the fun built right into it already. And thank you for following us on our Instagram and our YouTube and the Marty Moments. And you're just going to have a great time. And next year, we're going to do a lot more and bring a lot of technology to you in the future. And gosh, for a year and a half of doing this, this is a whole bunch of fun for me. And I want to welcome you to come back to East Bay Motorsports. We're right here in the heart of the Bay Area. We have the largest dealership in the Central Bay Area. Nothing is bigger. No one has more product. We have 7 line items. That's Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Polaris, Can-Am, CF Motos, and we have all the stuff they sell. Now, right now, the inventory is a little low because of the pandemic, but man, this year we're going to explode. And regardless of what you might hear or read, we have a lot of product here. So come on down, take a look at our store, say hi to me, and let's have a good time talking about whatever you're looking to get. So thank you again, and have a great day.